Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to reset Skype Local Settings in Windows 10. Go to your taskbar. Right-click on the Windows icon and choose Task Manager from the list. A new window will open. Go to Processes tab. Scroll down and look for Skype App. Select it from the list. Click on End Task button at the bottom of the window. Close the window. Go to your taskbar. Right-click on the Windows icon and choose Run from the list. A new window will open. Type %appdata%/Microsoft. Click OK. A new window will open. Go to Skype for desktop folder. Right-click on it and choose Rename from the list. Add _old to the name. Close the window. Open Skype app. The app will be reset. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!